Imagine a factory assembly line. It knows exactly how many items it needs to process. In coding, when you know precisely how many times you need to repeat an action, you use a for loop. It is the perfect tool for working through any sequence one item at a time. Today, we'll master the for loop and its most powerful feature, the range function. The most common way to create a for loop is with range. Range 5 generates a sequence of numbers starting from 0, up to, but not including, 5. The for loop then runs once for each number in that sequence. It's a simple and powerful way to run a block of code a specific number of times. You can customize range with more arguments. If you provide 2 numbers, the first is the start and the second is the end. To count backward or skip numbers, you can add a third number for the step. Here, we use a step of 2 to print only the even numbers. A negative step, like -1, will make your loop count down. Just like while loops, you can nest for loops inside each other. This is essential for working with 2D data like grids, tables, or image pixels. The outer loop controls the rows, and for every single iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop runs its entire course. This allows you to process every single cell in the grid. Sometimes you need more control. The break statement will exit the loop immediately, no matter what. The continue statement, however, will only skip the rest of the current iteration and jump straight to the next one. Use break to stop completely and continue to skip. Python has a unique feature called the for-else statement. The else block at the end runs only if the loop finishes normally without ever hitting a break statement. This is incredibly useful for searching. If the break runs, it means you found the item and the else is skipped. If the loop finishes, the else runs, meaning the item wasn't found. It's important to know that in Python, the loop variable continues to exist even after the loop has finished. It will hold the last value it was assigned during the final iteration. This can be useful, but also a source of bugs if you're not careful. So it's a key detail to remember. And that's the for loop. From simple counting with range to complex grid logic with nested loops and fine-tuned control with break, continue, and else. Ready to practice? Try the finding a vowel in a string problem on CodeChef to test your new skills.